Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with a quick Jesse James beads unboxing. Now, I did a full comprehensive look at these last year, but they're back. And I'm not going to go through every bead. They might be slightly different than last year, but I'm not sure. So that's why I wanted to kind of just dump them out and show you. But if you're interested in that other video that I showed last year, I will put it in the links below. But the Let's Be Mermaids beads collections are back at Jesse James Beads. We have Siren, Coral Queen, and Splash, and those were the names of them last year. So here's the purple one, which is Siren, and it looks very similar to last year. I'm just going to kind of put it out here. We've again got the little mermaid tails, some pearls, some ceramic. We've got our little enamel charms and just little pearls. Yeah, this looks very similar to last year. And again, I will link to that video. And I think I made some earrings last year using a lot of these mixes, so I'll show you those as well. I'll link that in the description below as well. So the purple one is Siren, and I will put links to all of these in my description, and those are affiliate links, just so you know. Okay, so now we have Splash, beautiful turquoise, lovely, lovely, lovely. Look at this guy. Yeah, I remember making a necklace with that last year, and I think I did a video, so I'll link that below too. That might have been in the same video. I love these. Love these. They're so beautiful. And then we have some more mermaid tails, some more starfish, beautiful colors. Oh, just looks so beautiful. Love the ocean color. Can't wait to play with these again. And then the third one is the Coral Queen. Lots of pinks and gold. So we have tiny crystal rondelle spacers. We have the large drops that are like an orangey apricot. We've got some, more of this beautiful metal. This one's in rose gold. Some fish, or some mermaid tails. Lots of pretty crystal in this one. Some cage beads, and some more starfish. And then we have a cute little stone starfish as well. Beautiful. Love those. And then I wanted to take a moment to show you some other things that came in the mail from Jesse James Beads. We've got some beautiful enamel chains. I've got this, oh gosh, you know this is going to be my favorite one. It's gold and turquoise. Love, love, love. Love these enamel chains. I love the drops. They're wonderful to use just as chain like this. But if you don't want to use it as chain, you have a ton of connectors that you can undo, and then a bunch of drops that you can use in your creations. So we've got it in turquoise. I also received it in gossamer pink. Oh my gosh, it looks like beautiful cotton candy. We've got Harbor Blue. Now this, some of this came in the Magical Mystery Bead Box as well. This one is that like herringbone shape. I'll open this one to show you what shape I'm talking about. Isn't that beautiful? And again, you can use this as connectors or chain, and this is all hand dyed by Jesse James Beads. Beautiful teal color. So this one was Harbor Blue. Then we have Dahlia, which is a gorgeous eye-popping purple. Gosh, that's pretty. And then we have Glacier Lake. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I can't wait to see what everybody starts making with these beautiful items. Then I also received some buttons, and it's funny to see these come in the mail because I used these, oh my gosh, probably 13 years ago, 13 years ago, on some bobby pins. So I cut the shanks off of these and I glued them to some bobby pins for some cute little hair accessories, and sold them in my Etsy shop a long time ago. They're so pretty, and I love the how sparkly they are. Oh my goodness, we have some mermaids. So we have Splish Splash and Fantastic Friends, and oh my gosh, the diversity of these mermaids is so wonderful. I love that. Oh my goodness. So we have some dolphins and we have some shells and starfish in this one. She's sitting on a rock. Oh, she's sitting on her behind, and then she's kind of standing up. These are all shank buttons. And then we have 4 lovely ladies in this one with pink, purple, green, and turquoise. These are wonderful. What a wonderful collection. Oh my gosh. And then last but not least, we have tiny seashells. So we've got some starfish, sand dollars, regular shells, and then some sparklies. My goodness, that was fun. I can't wait to create with all this stuff. Oh my goodness. I don't know where to start. And then of course we have some memory wire in 2 different colors. Some chain reaction. So these you can get chain reaction. I think you can get it in single sets or in like a pack of 5. Thankfully received some 22 gauge wire because I was hurting for some 22 gauge wire last weekend, and here we go. I have it in silver and gold, and then some 26 gauge wire, and then just some more chain reaction. So I don't know about you, but I love my chain reaction. It's just easy to add to everything. Last but not least, some clasps and earring findings. So Jesse James Bead sells these clasp packs, so you have a clasp for whatever you need: magnetic, lobster, and toggle. And if you've seen my Jesse James Beads videos, or any video really, I tend to use these toggles quite a bit, so I had to top up my stash here. Anyway, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. Again, link below. Check out the previous mermaid Let's Be Mermaids videos, and watch what I made with those last year, and then stay tuned because I'm going to be making some new things with them coming up soon. Let me know what your favorite was, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye.